Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Kaisa Patarani from class 11 TKJ 1. Today I will be presenting module 3 about network model. Definition: networking model is a captured in network architecture that is used as a standard in the data communication process of device. In a network business being a standard, this networking model also provides guidance on how data is sent, received, and processed in a network. Definition: before networking model existed, each vendor created or had their own networking models. Because each vendor has a different networking model, communication between vendors is difficult. So the effort to build a very large computer network is difficult. Therefore, a standard or minimum specification was created by ISO, International Organization for Standardization, namely with the name OSI, Open System Interconnection, or it can also be called the OSI 7-layer model. Calls networking application address of the server, the where 1 second and 0 seconds, checking for error, sending message, encryption. Model networking application presentation session, mostly software, transport network data link, and physical mostly hardware. This network will be difficult to understand and implement, easy to manage, to structured places. Each component has some language to communicate. There are two networking models, namely one networking now use the TCP or IP model. This is because TCP or IP is less formal than OSI. On the other hand, because OSI is more complex, it is often used for educational purposes. OSI model. The OSI model was developed by the International Organization for Standardization (ISO), is as a framework for connecting disparate systems in a network. The OSI model breaks down the communication process into 7 layers, from physical to application, to provide consistent communication standard. TCP or IP model, Transmission Control Protocol or Internet Protocol. The TCP or IP models, also known as the Internet Protocol model, is the foundation of Internet networking and is designed to be simpler than the OSI model. which has only your layers. It was created by the US Department of Defense. It combines the foundation of several US layers into one larger layer. Main function of the OSI model helps in understanding and designing complex network systems, optimize interoperability between devices and network from different vendors, identity and troubleshoot problems at special layer in network communication. How TCP or IP networks work. 1. Big data into small package. The first way it works is by breaking data into smaller packages before being transmitted to another medium, which is called a layer. Packets are sent via router. The router functions to send and determine the delivery route for data package. 3. The package was securely sent to the destination. Once the packet has been sent and arrived at its destination, the TCP or IP layers then perform their respective tasks, starting with translating signals into data and finally compiling them into a complete file. How TCP or IP networks work. OSI versus TCP or IP model structure. TCP or IP model structure. 1. Application layer serves as an interface for application or software to communicate over a network. Protocols HTTP, VTP, SMTP, and others. TCP or IP application layer. Communication process according to HTTP. TCP or IP model structure. 1. Transport layer manage data delivery and user-level communication between applications on different hosts. Main protocols TCP and UDP. Structure TCP or IP models. TCP Transformation Control Protocol. TCP uses connection data is sent security, prevents data corruption, and makes it easier to find and fix errors. On the downside, 3 is a lot of two-way communication between the two parties, so it takes longer. TCP or IP model structure. UDP User Datagram Protocol. Not connection-based identification mark or serial number. There is not coverage, delivery errors, and there is not care is package or loss. On the positive side, UDP send data much later than TCP. Main function of TCP are IP models. The TCP of IP models focus more on functionality and efficiency compared to the OSI model, with the main functions: 1. Provide communication standard in network and the internet. 2. Reduce complexity by combining multiple OSI layers. And 3. Simplify the protocol by using only 4 core layers. TCP or IP network layers. The network layer is the process by which each computer device is assigned an identity in the form of an IP address. The IP address serves as a useful address for connecting multiple devices within a network. For the more IP address can find address error during packet delivery. TCP or IP network layer. For the network layer, there is only one example, namely IP. IP provides two very important features, namely addressing and routing, which function to better connectivity and path selection. Each network device requires a unique address on the network. Data link and physical layer. Data link defines the protocol required at the physical layer. One of the features of the data link layers is physics frame check sequence, which is an error detection mechanism only detects error without recovery. The addressing used in the data link layers is the MAC address. The physical layer defines cabling in a computer network. Physically defines what is used to connect device. And subclassification and desubclassification. On the sending computer, the process of breaking down data packets into similar packets with different names according to each layer occurs after the packets are broken down into smaller pieces. The data packet wrapping process is also carried out, which is called encapsulation. On the receiving computer, the opposite process occurs, namely the process of opening the packet received from the sender, decryption, and the process of recombining the data fragment into a complete data packet. Encapsulation and decapsulation. Encapsulation data and decapsulation. That concludes my presentation. Thank you so much for your time and attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.